This is Greg Little in central New Mexico, Sierra County. We're just on the Red Rock Ranch at the base of the San Mateo Mountains, about halfway between Albuquerque and El Paso, Texas.
Good afternoon. My name is Christopher Ashcroft, and welcome to Red Rock Ranch. Approximately 2,300 deeded acres, rolling country, high desert, very close to the United States Forest Service and the wilderness, approximately 4 miles north of the village of Monticello. It's Victoria Peak, approximately 10,250 feet above sea level. It's in the forest. It is a granitic rhyolite intrusion. There is mountain climbing, free rock climbing, gorgeous trails, accessible by vehicle, SUV, ATV. Hunting, of course, this is Unit 17. We are inundated with mule deer, and a professional hunter in January came out and identified 9 trophy mule deer. The antelope that frequents the part of the rock that we call the Cordoba averages about 50. We have 3 wells. First well was put in approximately 1935 at a location on the ranch that used to be the Civilian Conservation Corps camp, and we lift water to a 10,000-gallon below-grade cistern that gravity feeds to service the headquarters. The second well, which is solar, lifts water to the stock tank on the hillside that again gravity feeds as a backup both for the headquarters as well as for the drinkers. The third well is located at the bottom of what we call the Cordoba that is on the Monticello ditch, a very historic spring-fed system where the farmers are able to flood irrigate based on their hours of water ownership.
This is one of the best built headquarters of any ranch I've ever been on. There's a 4,400 square foot main residence bordering the swimming pool, a 600 square foot guest home, and then of course you have a 1,200 square foot also guest barn dominium on the property for headquarters. Plenty of lodging for everybody in the family.
The guest house used to be the ranger's office, and inside the house complex is the original adobe structure that was the ranger's residence. All the water systems have been updated and upgraded.
What's most stands out about this property though is its unequaled preparation, and the years have gone in to make it into a world-class shooting facility. It has ranges up to 3,000 yards and as little as 100 yards. Numerous major long-range rifle manufacturers are right now considering the Red Rock to host their long-range universities.
I felt it was a jolly good idea to put in a qualifying shooting range, and at the time was probably one of the longer certified distant ranges in the country. Qualifying range is for pistol, muzzle loader, AR-15 and high-powered rifles. The zip line was put in for negative lead training. Helicopters are of course too expensive to shoot from. We have a railroad track system for forward lead development.
Easily accessible from around the country and internationally via airports from El Paso, Truth or Consequences, or straight up into Albuquerque. They're about an hour to 2 hours away.
To look after approximately 6,000 square feet and everything else is too much for me. You know, I think ranching today is a younger man's game, or that you've got a family who love to ride and want the ranch lifestyle. I think that would be a fair way to look at it as well.